Hello everybody, my name is Hinkle and this is my self video. So today I will talk about 3 strategies that I've used in helping me gain meaning as a reader. One of the things that I remember doing as a child is just looking up unfamiliar words. It helped me better understand what the text was trying to say. Another thing that I've learned too as a high school student is that writing in the text, annotating, helps me so much. I don't have to go back and reread every single thing because the notes on the side from the annotations actually help me to figure out, hey, what's happening in this text. And then paired reading and questioning is so helpful. One thing that I enjoy doing is reading with a colleague and then going back and asking that colleague questions. And that colleague in returns listens to me read and then asks me questions as well. Now as a teacher, I refined those reading skills to help students. I use QAR, question-answer relationships with students. I also use semantic mapping with students, and I've refined the semantic map so that it is more useful for students. It doesn't help students when they do not have the context and they just have the word. Because if they're unfamiliar with the word, then when you ask them to define the word, they have no idea how. And so what I do is I take the actual word in context from the text and place it above the semantic map to give students an idea as to what the word means by using context clues. Another thing that I tend to do with my students as well, I create what I call interactive guides for students, where I take the entire story and I chunk it, and I have certain actual activities or questions underneath each box, and the students have to actually read the instructions so that they'll know exactly what they need to do inside of that particular chunked context. In regards to how I use my reading skills in my everyday life, I know I am not a homemaker. So when I have to put something together, like put up blinds, it's important for me to go back and reread what I need to do. And because a lot of it is just so unfamiliar to me. So when I do that, I have to have the paper in front of me and I'm reading it, and then I read it again and again. And then if there's something that I still don't understand, then I'm able to go to sources that are familiar to me to help me understand what it is that it was unfamiliar initially. Thank you.